Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome to the Custom Adventurous. Alright, so today I'm reviewing the Apple MagSafe wallet. Okay, so this is Apple's wallet with MagSafe in it. It's made of leather. This is the black version. This thing comes in at $60 US, and it's definitely the most expensive wallet I've ever owned. But it is unlike any other wallet I've ever had. And I'm going to go out on a limb and say that it is my favorite wallet I have ever owned. And here is why. When it came to my wallets previously, I pretty much would always just lose them. I wouldn't carry them around regularly, and so I would pretty much just lose them every time I needed them the most. Like, it was literally every single day. I'm like, where is my wallet? I couldn't find it. It was a complete struggle. Before, I also had those like wallet cases that go on your phone, or those like little stick-on little wallet things on the back of your phone. But really, I hated them a lot because the wallet case just added extra bulk around the whole entire phone that I kind of felt was unnecessary, and I really hated that. And then those little sticker things that you just stick on the back of your phone that are your wallet, they also add bulk, and you can't like take them off. They're like stuck there forever, which I mean is fine, but like it just bothered me. But this wallet mag case is kind of the perfect medium for me. First of all, it's very high quality. The leather feels really nice. It's like has like a soft touch to it. It's a pretty slim wallet and has very little bulk to it, and it isn't permanently stuck to the back of my phone. That's a big deal. But it stays on good enough that I don't really have the risk of losing it. Overall, it is literally my favorite wallet in the world. It just works for me. But if you want to know how well it stays on and all those little details about it, let's go over and test them real quick. Alright, so I got the MagSafe wallet on my back of my phone right here. It sticks on like this. It stays on pretty well. Whoa. Ready? Let's see if I can get it off. Okay, so if you slam hard enough, it does fall off. But also, one really cool thing to note is when you click it on your phone, it does a little thing right there to indicate when it has been like magnetized to your phone. And when it comes off, it makes a little vibration, so you kind of know when it's on the back of your phone and when it's not, which helps to the not really losing feature. Alright, now we're talking about the pocket right here, okay? So, you put your phone in your pocket, right? Let's see. Here's how I put my phone in my pocket. I put my hand over the wallet and it just goes right in like that. No issues. I've heard people that are like worried that it's gonna slide right off when you're putting your phone in your pocket. Like, I mean, if you're like going like this, even then, it still stays on pretty well. Like, maybe if you have something like, if your pockets are super duper tight, but overall, I'm in jeans right now. They're not too tight, but like, they have no issues going in really easily like that. See, just no problems. Back pocket, I don't know how well this is gonna work. I don't ever put my phone in my back pocket. And it pretty much stays on pretty well for the most part. No issues really. Just like, it works. I really like this wallet a lot. Let's see. It's also really strong. Like, it's legit like really strong. Like, look at this thing. I can literally hold the phone up with the wallet. It's really impressive. I mean, it kind of gets at a weak point right there, but like, right there is just, I really like it a lot. I definitely recommend it. Also, if you're wondering how you get the cards out of the case, you just go like this. Alright, well, at the end of the day, should you cop one of these? I would say yes, for me personally. But I think there are third-party ones that are coming out. I'm not sure. I haven't really tested them. I don't know how good they are. But for this, if you got the cash, I would say that they are a 10 out of 10 recommendation from me.